Hello everybody, welcome back. In this video we are going to export our project to Unity, and I will in next video I will show you that how you can add some better maps for the textures for Unity, and I will show you the whole process. So now we have this model and we already have textures in it. If we can go to preview, material preview, you can see the textures added to our truck. So now we will just go to file, we will just go to export FPX, and in FPX we will select mesh, we will select patch mode copy, we will copy the patch mode, and also we will apply the transforms, and we will go to our models, and where is the truck model truck project, and here we will just place our second truck. You can see truck 2, and we will just save it as a Pakistani truck 2. That's nice. We have successfully exported our model, and now we will import this model in Unity, and we will see how it will look like. And in next video I will show you the whole process of making textures good. Okay, so it will be very important topic. So now we will just move here on desktop and truck project, and we have this truck 2. Sorry, okay, where it is. This is desktop, and we have truck project, and we have truck 2. Yeah, now it will come. Okay, so now you can see this is our truck, but before that I will just cut it out, and I will just go to render images, and here we will just create another folder of truck 2, so that our reference images should be in the reference folder, so just for organizing things. And now we will just import our project. So here we will go to models, and I will just create another folder, and we will name it Pakistani truck 2. Okay, so this will be the second type of truck, and this is the truck model 01. This is truck 2, and we'll just name it truck model 01. Okay, like this. So this is 01, this is truck model 2, and actually, yeah, that's fine. Okay, so now we have truck model 2, and we will just import our truck inside this folder. So we'll just go to truck and truck 2, and we will just drag drop this truck here. Okay, now we will select the truck, we will go to materials, we will just extract the materials, we will rename a folder, we will just create a folder here as a textures, and inside textures we will just extract our textures. Also we will select the model, and we will just extract the materials as well. So we'll just go to folder, and we'll name it materials. Okay, so now we have our truck 3. We will just drag drop this truck 3 here, and you can see it's quite big as compared to that truck, I think. Oh, it's fine, I think. So yeah, it looks a little bit bigger. Yeah, no, maybe not actually. It's just in width it's a little bit big. So other things are fine. So now you can see that we have a nice truck, and first of all we will just add some textures. We will just fix out the textures of the truck, and then we will move further. I will just place it little bit like this so that we can analyze everything. And after adding texture, I will also add the mesh colliders, and in next video we will learn how we can make these textures look good. Okay, so let's meet in next video. Allah Hafiz.